So good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis of what GBPUSD is actually going to be giving us for the week. So first thing first guys, remember these 2 rules of trading. First thing, you need to know what your trend is. Second, you have to trade with the trend. Now, if you take a look at this, we are going to highlight some key level. This is a key level. Now, what can you say the trend is on your GBPUSD? As you can see, this is very simple, right? GBPUSD is literally ranging within this level. So this is our current movement, whereby we had a rejection from the support that pushed up to tap our resistance level, right? When market got to the resistance, it's rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Market also rejected from the support level, then came back to tap our resistance. Market got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level, right? The market got to the support level, it's rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then it's also rejected from our resistance and dropped to tap our support level, right? Market also rejected from our support level and came back to tap our resistance. When it got to the resistance, it rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level, right? So now if you take a look at this, market is literally ranging. We are in a ranging market move. Now we will be expecting market also reject from the support level, and guess what? Push up to tap our resistance zone. So this is to tell you that for a long-term trader or for a position trader, traders that are looking to hold their position for the next 3 to 6 months, you would want to be anticipating for a buy on your GBPUSD, because in the long run, GBPUSD will definitely push up. So have it in mind that there will be a major rejection from this level. There's going to be a major reaction at this level, right? Whereby markets will reject from this level and bounce up. So I want to have it in mind that there's going to be a rejection at this level. So have that in the back of your mind. Now let's drop down to our daily time frame right here, guys. Once again, we are in a ranging market. You can clearly see it, right? Market is literally ranging within this level. So if you take a look at this right here, zoom it in. From this resistance zone whereby markets rejected from, it dropped to tap us up, a drop, right, and the pullback. Then give us an equal low right here, pullback. Market eventually drop again to give us a new lower low, and now this is the pullback right here. So we will be expecting this pullback to come to a level of 1.33469. So we will be expecting that pullback to come to a level of 1.33469. That will be about 118 pips. So guys, if the market opens right on Monday and you're going for the buy to a level of 1.33469, you're going to make between 100 to 118 pips, right? That is what you'll be able to make. You will make. Now, once market now gets this level, I will then give you an update. Either markets will drop or markets will push up. I will give you the updates, based on multiple factors. I'm going to look at multiple factors if markets will reject on us. But one thing we will be expecting is that market should first of all push up to come to a level of 1.33469. Now, once it push up and hits level of 1.33469, then I'm going to give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next. More update on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for not to miss out on the updates. Like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.